There are multiple different areas where you can create filters and different subsets of data within your project. So the large area to do that in is the datasets workspace, which we've covered in a different video. Right now I want to go over how to filter in the media workspace. So here I have 20 interviews listed, and then on the bottom left, you're going to see a bunch of different options in terms of filtering. So we can do some shortcuts to find the data that we want to create a set out of. So we have data type, how many excerpts are associated with each piece of media, the length, if there are any memos attached, and then you're going to have all of your descriptor categories. And this is the real power of filtering, is filtering based on your descriptors. So let's say we wanted to isolate all former athletes in this study. So we went to career status, which was my descriptor category, and then I can click former players. Once I do so, you'll see that the database to our right just filtered, and it's only showing me former players in this study, and we can see that number along the bottom. So if I wanted to create a subset with just these former players, you can hit the Select All button, and then to the right, you're going to see the Make Set button. Once you click that, you're going to see the Dataset tab turn white and have red font alerting you that you're actively in a data set and you're filtering out some of your data. So now if I went to the Analyze workspace and to some different charts here, this data will only be the data reflected from those 18 participants. And as a reminder, whenever you have a filter on in Dedoose, you're going to see a new icon. It's this funnel icon. This allows you to temporarily take off that filter and activate all of your data again so that you can do some quick comparisons. And then I can just click it again to activate that filter. You can also come in your datasets workspace, double check your work. So we're viewing 18 out of 20 documents. That is correct. And then we can save this set. So let's say we wanted to save this to get back to it later. I can title that former players and hit submit. So now I don't have to create that filter again. I can just come to my datasets workspace, click on former players, and then load it up. And remember, when you're done for the day, go back to that datasets workspace, hit clear current set to make sure all of your data is activated.